How to download Bitget app on iOS. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Bitget application on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're new to Bitget or setting up a new device, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So Bitget is available on iOS through the App Store in supported regions. So first of all, you gotta open your App Store and then you gotta click on the search icon at the bottom right corner and click on the search bar at the top and simply type in Bitget. So press search. Once you find the official Bitget application, you're going to tap the get or download icon. You may also be asked to confirm installation using Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. The app will then begin downloading to your device. After the installation is complete, you're going to tap open or launch the Bitget application from your home screen. You can then log in with your existing account or create a new account if you're a new user. You can simply click on Get Started over here, simply tap down the email, or you can also log in using your Google, Apple, or Telegram account. So in some regions, the Bitget app may not appear in the App Store, and if that happens, then you can check whether your Apple ID is set to a supported country or region. Bitget's official guide notes that changing your App Store region may be necessary if the app isn't available where you're currently registered.